Hi guys. Pag walang cellphone, sa kanya lahat yung lugar dito. Gumagawa siya ng bahay-bahay. Tingnan mo. Occupy na lahat yan. Pero mas gusto ko siya naglalaro siya kaysa magsi-cellphone. Yung asawa ko kasi wala dito sa bahay, nasa Davao. So, kaya hindi siya nakakapag-cellphone. Kung kami lang dalawa, talaga more on play siya, drawing, ganyan. Mahilig siya sa drawing. Tapos nanonood ng TV. Actually, today, Friday, katatapos lang ng exam niya sa kinder.
Look at this, mommy.
Kaya naglalaro na siya. Wow!
My dog's so cute.
Si hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. This is my dog, and I comb her hair.
What is her name?
Her name is Nasia.
Asa maya sa nina? 8:32 ng gabi dito, guys. Where's her dress?
Wait a minute. I will bring her dress late.
Asa man ang uban mo mga toy?
Let's listen. Look at this. I'm comb her hair. Look.
Makapiright ta pag atong ikuan sa TV. Di ba? Copyright. Ayusin mo yung buhok mo. Imong hair. Kung ano imong hair?
Dana.
Imong hair ba? You fix the hair sa imong Barbie, tapos imong hair, wala mo gi-fix.
He's so cute.
Be, let me see, be. Be, ate, be. Yung face, be. What is her name?
Her name is Cute Mine.
Her name is Kokoromi.
No!
Why?
Because he's ugly.
She is from Japan. That's why her name is Kokoromi.
No, her name is not Kokoromi.
She's not ugly, she's beautiful. Look at her, oh. She has a nice eyes, a beautiful eyes,
Wait,
a beautiful hair.
It's not Kokoroto. It's just a chicken.
Yung Kokoroto. Her name
Yes.
is Kokoromi, not Kokoroto.
Her name is Princess.
Princess.
Yeah.
Princess Kokoroto.
No!
Uso man.
This is a chicken Princess Kokoroko. Only Princess lang. Her name is Princess.
Ah, okay. We can call her Princess Kokoroko.
No!
Ano man?
Because I don't like Kokoroko.
Why you don't like mine? It's nice name. It's from Japan name.
Ulit lang.
It's very expensive name. Very harigato name. Diba? Say hi to your viewers. Oh.
Hi.
Hi vlog. Welcome
Hi.
to my YouTube. So muna yung bisyo. Muna siya yung bisyo, guys. Kami relax kami ngayon kasi tapos na exam niya. So relax pod ko. So good evening, guys. Thanks God it's Friday. So tapos na yung exam niya today. Last kanina. Kaya she is more on play. So yan. Medyo ma-relax at bukas. Marami akong gagawin. Maglilinis ako sa labas. Marami akong wawalisin ng mga damo-damo. Ngayon nga week kasi wala talaga akong ginagawa kundi mag-study sa kanya. Turuan siya sa mga lesson niya para i-prepare sa kanyang exam. So ngayon, medyo relax talaga kami. So, thank you guys for watching.